Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this teriyaki beef and vegetable stir fry. Hello, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Today we are cooking from my cookbook and we are making this amazing teriyaki beef and vegetable stir fry. It's super easy, perfect for meal prep or a quick, easy weeknight dinner. I'm going to actually prep it for my lunches for the next 4 days. So let's get started with it. First thing we need to do is make our sauce, our teriyaki sauce. So I've got a little bowl here. I'm going to whisk it all together. Got 1/4 cup of soy sauce. And if you need gluten-free, you could use tamari or coconut aminos. This is actually tamari. 3 tablespoons of brown sugar sweetener. 1 minced clove of garlic. 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, or you could use ginger paste, and that's what I like to use. Ginger paste is just ginger paste made from ginger. You can find it in the produce section of most grocery stores. And 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum. So I'm going to whisk that all together. Xanthan gum is a very common ingredient. It may not sound like it, but it actually is. You can find it at Walmart in the bakery section. It's just a thickener. It's just another version of a thickener like cornstarch or in place of flour. Okay, there's our sauce. I'm going to set this aside. And now we're going to heat a large skillet over medium-high heat. I'm going to heat the avocado oil, about 2 tablespoons. And I've got 1.5 pounds, roughly 1.5 pounds of flat iron steak that has been cut in strips against the grain, about 1/2 inch thick pieces. You could also use flank steak. So I'm going to layer these in my skillet in a single layer. And we're going to cook them on each side for a few minutes to get them just browned. You don't want to overcook your steak. I mean, it's a stir fry, so it's not going to be like rare. That's why you want to cut it against the grain. Okay, I'm going to remove the steak from the pan. It's nicely browned. And now we're going to add all of our vegetables. I've got 2 medium zucchini that I've chopped. The stoplight peppers, all sliced, so that's a yellow, a red, and a green bell pepper cut into strips. I've got 1/2 a white onion sliced and 8 ounces of baby Bella mushrooms that have been sliced. This is a very veggie heavy dish and I love it. We're going to cook these for about 5 or so minutes until they start to soften. Okay, now our vegetables are looking good, so I'm going to add the sauce to the pan. And we're going to bring this up to a simmer and let the sauce thicken and start to do its job, that xanthan gum. And now I'm going to add the steak back to the pan. We want to put in back all the juices. Mix that in. Okay, this is ready. So let me get a bite. I want to get some meat. I want to get zucchini. Let's see, I don't know if I can fit. Let me get a pepper on my fork. All right. How good does that look? Mm-hmm. The steak is perfectly cooked. That sauce is the perfect sweet and salty. And I love that the vegetables are not overcooked. I hate when my vegetables get overcooked. It's perfect. So be sure you check it out and check out my cookbook, Live Life Keto. The link to pre-order is in the description below. Or you can go to jenniferbands.com/keto cookbook. Or you can go to Amazon and search Live Life Keto. And it will be there available for pre-order. So be sure you check it out, make this delicious recipe, and thank you so much for watching and supporting me. And yeah, be sure you check this out, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.